Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Roblox error code 524, and this is a pretty simple fix and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys have to do is you have to open up Roblox. From here you have to go over to more. From here click on settings, which is the gear icon, and then click on privacy. It should be the third one. Now from here what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you see other settings, and then who can make me a member of the private server, and basically turn all of these on up to friends. So who can make me a member of the private server, turn it to friends. Who can join me and experience this, friends and users I follow. Or if you want to be safe, you can do everyone. And update friends about my activity. Yes, well, that actually doesn't really matter. These two really don't matter that much. It's just these two. But these are the main ones. If you want to just make sure, you can go ahead and turn everyone on to who can join me, and everyone as well who can make me a member of their private server. And yeah, but as long as you do have friends, like friends here, then you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.